Meaning of energetically.
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 Energetically. Energetically can be defined as doing something with enthusiasm, vigor, or liveliness. When someone approaches a task energetically, they do it with a lot of energy and dedication. This usually results in greater productivity and better quality work, as the individual puts their full effort into what they are doing. For example, an athlete who trains energetically will likely see improvements in their performance and physical fitness. Similarly, a student who studies energetically will likely achieve better grades and a deeper understanding of the material.